is a tasty burger.
Who doesn't love hamburgers? Hi everybody and welcome back to my channel. There are so many hamburgers out there. There are so many different kinds of hamburgers that you can make, but last week I had the opportunity to go down to a keto-friendly cafe and try this new hamburger called the Fat Boy Slim. So today's episode, I've actually replicated the same burger but with just a little twist to call it my own. So without any further ado, if you're interested to see me make my version of the Fat Boy Slim Keto Hamburger, then please keep watching.
I do love the taste of a good burger.
So on that note everybody, if you enjoyed watching me make this first ever keto hamburger called the Fat Boy Slim, then please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give it a thumbs up and make sure you click that notification bell for all the upcoming videos. Thank you again for watching and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye for now.